Good morning, students. In previous class, we studied about smallest and greatest numbers of some digits. In today's class, we will learn about place value table and the number name. So let's take a number. Now, students, here I have taken a number, and that is 948556812. So, students, now let's show this number in place value table and name it. So students, there are mainly two kinds of system of writing numbers. So here the place value table which I have drawn is of national system of writing numbers. In other words, this also known as Nepali system. So students, now let's understand this place value table. So students, first of all, we need to understand about period and place. In a place value table, there are period and place. So period consists of ones, thousands, lakh, crore, arab, and place consists of ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab, 10 arab. So once again, students, period consists of ones, thousand, lakh, crore, arab, whereas place consists of ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab, 10 arab. Now students, ones, tens, hundred, these three places lies under ones. Ones, tens, hundred, ones को पिरियड पर्छ. Similarly, thousand, 10,000, these two places lies under thousand period. And students, lakh, 10 lakh, these two places comes under period of lakh. Crore, 10 crore, these two places comes under period of crore, whereas arab, 10 arab, these two places comes under the period of arab. Now students, remember one thing, that ones period of ones consists three places, that is ones, tens, hundred. ones ले मात्र तीनवटा प्लेसेस राख्छ. त्यो के हुन् त ones, tens, hundred हुन् भने बाँकी सबैले दुई दुईवटा प्लेसेसहरू राख्ने गर्छन्. थाउजन्डले 10,000 र 1000, लाखले लाख र 10 लाख, करोडको पिरियडले करोड र 10 करोड, अरबको पिरियडले अरब र 10 अरब. Now students, while counting the numbers, always we should begin from right hand side. So विद्यार्थीहरू, जहिले पनि हामीले कुनै पनि नम्बरलाई काउन्टिङ गर्नु छ भने हामीले जहिले पनि राइट ह्यान्ड साइडबाट काउन्ट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. इट मिन्स वी शुड अलवेज काउन्ट फ्रम वान्स प्लेस. So students, now students, let's keep this number in this place value table. So we should start from ones place. This is 0, so let's keep it at ones place. This is 2, this of tens place, this is 1, this is of 100 place, 8 is of 1000 place, 6 is of 10,000 place, 5 is of lakh place, again this 5 is of 10 lakh place, 8 is of crore, 4 is of 10 crore, whereas 9 is of Arab. So students, here I have kept this number in this place value table. So now here we can see the place of 0 is ones, the place of 2 is tens, place of 1 is 100, place of 8 is 1000, place of 6 is 10,000, place of 5 is lakh, place of this 5 is 10 lakh, place of 8 is crore, place of this 4 is 10 crore, place of this 9 is Arab. So students, we count like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, Arab. Now students, let's understand how to write the number name of any number. So let's look at this number. We should count from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, Arab. So students, this 9 comes under the period of Arab. 9 चाहिँ Arab को period मा आउँछ. So let's write A. 9 comes under the period of Arab. Therefore, I have written A. A for Arab. Now students, let's see this 4 and 8. This 4 and 8 both comes under the period of crore. So let's write C. So similarly students, here we can see this both the 5. Both the 5 comes under the period of lakh. So let's write L. And similarly students, this 6 and 8. 6 and 8 comes under the period of 1000. Let's write T for 1000. And students, here as I have already told you, ones includes 3 places, that is ones, tens and 100. So these 3 numbers 1, 2 and 0, these 3 digits comes under the period of ones. So students, now let's write the number name. Okay, so let's first see in the period of Arab. Period of Arab consists only one digit, that is 9. So let's write 9. 9. So 9 comes under the period of Arab. So therefore we write 9 Arab. Similarly, let's come to crore. Now the period of crore consists of 2 places, that is crore and 10 crore. So at crore there is 8 and 10 crore there is 4. So it means 4, 8, 48. So let's write 48. So students, 48 comes under the period of crore. So therefore we write crore. Now similarly, let's come to the period of lakh. So period of lakh consists of 2 places, lakh, 10 lakh. At lakh there is 5, at 10 lakh also there is 5. So 5, 5, it makes 55. So let's write 55. 55. Now 55 comes under the period of lakh. So therefore we write lakh. 55 lakh. Now let's come to the period of 1000. So students, 1000 also has 2 places, that is 1000 and 10,000. So at 1000 there is 8 and 10,000 there is 6. So 6, 8 makes 68. So students, 68. Now 68 comes under the period of 1000. So therefore we have to write 1000. 68,000. Now students, let's come under the period of ones. So as I have already told you, period of ones consists of 3 places, that is ones, tens and 100. At ones place there is 0, at tens place there is 2, and at 100 place there is 1. So therefore these 3 digits combinedly they make 120. 120 means 120. So let's write 100 and 20. So students, the number name of this number is 9 arab 48 crore 55 lakh 68,120. So students, this much for today. Hope you have understood this class. In the next class we will be dealing with some other numbers. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.